Hey love, so I am going to show you guys that I am about to go ahead and do a crochet on my hair, you guys. I've already put my braiding pattern down on my head and I'm just trying out a hairstyle. And I actually started crocheting some of the hair inside my braids already. The hair that I'm using is this African collection. This is the Afro Kinky Bulk in 12 inches. I got it from my local beauty supply store for $5.99, guys. And I have one open. It comes like this and 3 little balls of hair, little, whatever you want to call them, little twists of hair. They already come pre-twist. They look like this. Get out of there. Okay. So this is what they look like. So what I've been doing is just untwisting it, starting from the bottom, and then just pulling it. And then this is what you have, a little twist like that. Then I'll just stretch it out, get my latch hook, and I'm just going to find the spot to hook it on. See if I can try to put that latch hook through, pull it through. Let go one of the strings, grab the other one, because this is the one, you want to make one longer. You want to take the latch hook out, bring both of the strands of hair through and pull. So this is what I'm just going to go through and do. I've already started some already. I'm hesitating, I just don't want to rush. It can be anywhere you want it, but you decide to be here with me. No coincidence, you were meant to be. I'm messing around now that you get in. All of your friends, you was on the remix line. Okay guys, I am about to go in with my second pack. Okay, so this is all one pack here. This is the one pack. This is what one pack did. So I'm about to go in now with the second pack, you guys. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am noticing with this hair that these pieces already are coming like unraveled like this, and that's not how the first batch came. The first batch was pretty much like a twist, you know, like together. So yeah, the first batch was pretty much like this here. No, this one is the what? Why did they feel the need to go ahead and separate this shit on their own? I liked it the first bundle better, because I was able to untwist them and manage how, you know, I wanted the curls to be. Oh well. Oh well. Gotta make it work. So the way I just did that one there is the way that I've been doing some of them, so that I can kind of like get the length, you know, like the length of it, you know. But I don't know, I think I'm just gonna have to play around with it and see. We're gonna finish it off though and see what it come out like. You know what she could do. Let's finish this head.